they're not very active. Well, I'm recording, so let's talk about that later. Anyway,
Okay.
so we can draw a curve along surface this, and how come I cannot? Ah, sorry. So this is mesh. Okay, I need to pick this one. So we can draw first the window. Oop, what's this? Is this tracing the
You
mesh
can
shape?
turn off the O snap, then it will.
Ah, right.
You can draw smoothly.
Wow. It's not quite working.
It's actually mesh. You can draw. Oh, but I got it.
Yeah, and we can specify the area of where we make opening first, and then I will draw manually. So we put this. Oh, sorry. If we decide on where and what kind of opening to make. So let's say this is entrance. And then we put the supporting structure around the opening first to allow no other structure to go through the opening. And then we can add structure along it. I'm not sure, maybe we slice it, the whole thing. Like this. Maybe we don't care much about opening location. So like this, or okay, I'll take the screenshot. So, and then, or perhaps the better way would be.
Yeah, we can do that as well.
Make hole. And then we should accordingly create a structure. For example, I'm not sure. We should. It might be a little hard, but we kind of create structure from the opening like this. I'm not very sure yet. I think we can refer to some structural engineering work from other architects. I have seen many times
a good idea as well.
So I think we have two ways to go. We can keep. I totally agree that we shouldn't put structure inside the opening. Otherwise, the opening doesn't work. If it's only light, what should I say? The opening for light, it's okay. But if it's opening for entrance, then we have to remove the structure.
There is another thing. If the ground is like this and the shape, we keep it this way, we don't have a floor because it's round like this. We
No,
should have the floors in
yeah,
some
yeah,
kind like this. So
yeah,
it's
yeah.
cut down from the, so we have a
Yes.
floor like this.
Yeah. I mean, I'm just using this structure because it's plain. There's no structure inside. I just use this one as a
Yeah,
kind of a canvas.
we'll have to
But I
trim the
don't.
bottom part, right?
Yeah, I think it was very good idea from you that you trim the bottom part, so we have a decent floor area, flat floor area. I like the idea. So the question is whether we can create the script that can do the structural framing, like the ones we've discussed just now, on any geometry, if it's possible, and then we can work on a number of structural framing study in accordance to different geometry. So
Yes.
so this shape can be one option, and your one is also another option. And we can test something in between, or maybe we can test 3x option.
Yeah.
Very
Sure.
quickly.
Okay, so I will try to create a geometry that's kind of like this.
Where should I zoom in?
Any.
Okay.
So as you have said, I will make a structure like this, opening in places, something like this, and then it's circular like this.
Yeah, that's one way.
Okay.
But if,
that I can do.
Okay. And are you able to, how about the structural analysis? Does it take quite a while to test, or can it be done very quickly?
Sorry, can you please repeat?
The Karamba structural study, does it take a long time to test if, for example, this structure is sound or not?
Karamba will take some time because
okay,
it will take a bit of time.
Do we have any easy way to test the structural condition?
I'm not sure.
Okay, never mind. We just trust our
instinct.
Yeah, instinct. I think so.
I think this kind of structure is very solid. We should not have any issues with structure.
Yeah. I think it just depends on how much structure we put.
Yeah.
If we put a lot, and then it's going to be solid. But Matsuzaki-san doesn't want a lot of structure. He wants less. So there's need to be test on site how much spacing is feasible. Anyway, tomorrow I'm going to be there, and maybe we can start providing this test pieces to Matsuzaki-san, and he can start trimming the actual plywood today. Because I confirmed with him he can do it today if I can pass the data. And if you can ask some other person to create a drawing for producing the piece of this thing, and he is able to start making the test piece. What do you think?
Okay, so what drawing do you need? I can provide the shape of each piece separately. This piece is like this shape. But we have this complexity of this overlapping part.
You
will need to.
Yes,
we
the
also need that, right?
Part. Yeah, you need to draw the line where the pieces gets, intersected.
I see.
Okay,
I will
that
try.
part, maybe I can ask Matsuzaki-san to do it because he's able to make a complex bookshelf, wavy bookshelf type of structure using the laser cutter. He has knowledge of rhinoceros and grasshopper actually.
Okay, I can do it also, but it will take some time, and I will try to complete the 3D printing before I go to sleep today. Let's see.
Oh, you're gonna complete before the end of the day today?
Yes.
Oh,
hopefully.
Really? Okay.
Yeah, I will try. I'll try my best to complete this because I should complete this.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you.
So should we need to continue this meeting anymore, or should we just start working? Maybe right.
Would you ask another person to make this drawing, or what's in your mind? I kind of want to test a little bit different structural framing for any shape. I don't mind for any shape because by testing the actual
The shape of individual pieces for this structure, I can make it very quickly. But
Okay.
for example, it will be kind of like this, right? For example, it's one piece, say, and it offset like this. And then we'll have to cut some pieces like there will be these gaps.
Yeah, because the size of one plywood sheet is 900 by 1800. So we need
900 by 1800.
Yeah, I have a data for layouting those plywood parts, so I can share it with you.
Yeah, please give me the size of the largest board that you can give. 1800 and 900. 900.
900. Yeah.
It's
I mean,
small.
you can use that dimension. Yeah, it's pretty small.
Okay. Let's see.
Sorry, it might be. yeah, it's this size. You know the layered house I made. It was done in the same way.
In my country, usually the boards are 2400 and 1200.
Yeah, we have the same size, but it's more expensive. So we normally use 900 by 1800. So this structure is using three pieces of so it's 3 plywood size in plan.
Yeah.
Or we can make this big thing. And this one is more difficult because it's stacking the flat thing.
You will need a lot of pieces, right?
Yeah, so much. Thousands.
Because you will need maybe 2 pieces for just one layer of like this.
Yeah. One sheet could have 1 or 2 or 3 pieces in here only. So it was horrible.
Yeah.
But this time it must be much easier. And I know there's a script that you can lay those parts automatically in the best way, like the most efficient way. So I will share that with you as well. I tested the script, Grasshopper script for doing that work, but it didn't work because each pieces were too big to automatically lay out.
Okay. Okay, please share this data. I'll try to work on this as soon as I can after I finish this 3D printing work.
Okay.
And
So
also I will ask one of my guys to work tomorrow on this.
Okay. Right. So you wouldn't be able to work on this one today, right? Even our person.
It's midnight here.
Yeah, I know.
So the guy
I
I
mean,
will ask
when
to
I say
work, he will
today,
start
when I
work.
say today is tomorrow for you.
Yeah, I will be able to work tomorrow.
Okay.
On
All right.
this.
All right.
Let's see what happens. I
Yes.
will
Let's talk
try to
tomorrow.
accommodate as soon as I can.
Thank you so much. All
Okay,
right.
Kaz.
Thank you so much. Talk to you soon then.
Okay, I will finish the 3D
Okay.
printing work and share with you.